Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have another of our How to ID series videos. And today we're going to talk about how to change wiper blades next on Every Mile. Okay, so we are in the car and I'm going to show you how to get the wipers into the service position. First, put your foot on the brake or hit the power button to turn on the car, and then you want to go over to where it says vehicle. And you want the exterior tab chosen there. And then if you keep going, you will get to where it says wipers. And then you want to just select service position. I'll show you what that does. So then the wipers come all the way almost vertical. Well, I guess they are vertical. All right, let's go back out and I will show you how to change them. Okay, so here we are in service mode, and I'll tell you before you get started, just buy these. Do as I say, not as I did. Just buy these from Volkswagen, because I attempted to order some from Bosch and didn't have any luck. I tried to get some from the local auto parts dealer and didn't have any luck. So just buy them from Volkswagen. They're not that expensive. They offered to put these on for me, but then how much fun would that be? And then I wouldn't have this great video. So let's see what we can do. They're actually quite easy to take off. So you want to just hold them up here. Now, once you take this off, just make sure that you don't slam it down on the glass, because that probably wouldn't be a good thing. So there is a little button here, and you just press this and then pull up like so. Comes out. Throw that one away. And then the new one, which I was just noticing is a little bit different design. So it has these little things on here and I don't know why, but let's see if it goes in here nicely. Just like that. That's literally all there is to it. Boom. So let me change this other one real quick, and then we'll go to the back, the rear wiper, because I've never changed that one myself. These are pretty good wipers, but they end up squeaking pretty quickly. And if you know how to keep a wiper from squeaking, please go ahead and put that in the comments, because I'm seeing that they last about a year, and that's about it. We are in Southwest Ohio, so we do have all seasons here, but I don't know why they would squeak after a year. Okay, these are the second ones. And I'll put the part number in the description below, so you can go to your Volkswagen dealer, or probably get them from a dealer online if you want to do that. But again, it's worth getting the OEM part here, just because you know they work, and I did have some trouble when I tried to buy it elsewhere. Now, let's go to the back. Okay, last but not least is the one in the back. Some cars don't have rear wipers. We are thankful that this one does. So lift it up, no service position and no inside on the screen, just pull it up. And I'm assuming we hit the button here, pull it straight out. And then the new one, see the button there, slides straight in. And then now you can wipe away. Okay, and then the last thing to do is go back into the vehicle app on your screen and choose wipers and deselect to where it says wiper service mode. And you saw they went down. So that's pretty much it for this little job. You can see why I wanted to do it myself, because it's easy. But again, buy it from the dealer. You won't regret it, because they will be sure to work. If you have a topic you'd like for us to cover in the How to ID series, put it in the comments, and we will try to see if we can do some more of those videos for you. I do have a video coming up where I put ceramic coating on my new Tesla seats. I do want to link to that in this video, just because it's the same product that I use in our ID.4, and it's been a really, really good job of keeping the light colored seats looking wonderful. So if you like what we're doing here, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.